this episode of Because It's Hard, I'm going to try to learn how to ride this old unicycle. The goal is to ride it 100 feet. Now I have sat on a unicycle back when I was young and tried it a couple times. Definitely didn't learn how, so this is basically from scratch. We're going to see how long this takes. It's getting past that bottom spin. The bottom of the pedal. New record. That was making me nervous. Some loud birds. Can't they tell I'm trying to film a video? I think the seat needs to be raised. Alright, seat is raised. Back at it. I think that was negative distance. Just jam my leg into the ground every time I fall. Oh. That was pretty sweet. What was that? 20 feet? I didn't know what to do once I hit the grass. I was gonna say leaning forward might be the key, but I really don't know. Whoa! Almost got popsicle sticked on that one. On the ride till I can't no more. Okay. Don't know what to do. Alright, I guess we're gonna try to go back. Oh, bush! I'll take that. Might have to take this out into the streets. Good first start. "22 feet. That was a record. 29 feet. Zone. Riding unicycle is all about being in the zone. If you're not in the zone, you're nothing. Cruising for a bruising. Yes. In the zone, I'm telling you. Yes. Oh, that's great. 20 feet past? I don't know exactly. We'll have to check the tapes. It's all a blur.